Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload file here in Trello. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Trello, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Uploading files to Trello is a simple process that helps you attach relevant documents, images, and other files directly to your Trello cards. Right now, I'm here on the a specific card here on the Trello, for example, this one, and I'm going to upload a file here in Trello. For example, I have a customer complaint and I wanted to resolve that, or maybe I'm working with multiple freelancers and one of the graphic designer for the Andy's Guides YouTube channel might want to create an amazing thumbnail. So the first thing is you have all these options at the left side here. You can go to the power-ups and there's going to be a thing that calls attachment. You can search or paste a link, display text. Now, you can choose a file directly from your computer or you can drag and drop. In my case, I'm gonna upload a file. I'm gonna click on this one and this is gonna be the file that is attached. I can also go to attachment and paste a link, which is what I'm gonna do right now. I went to my Google Drive and I'm going to paste this specific image. I'm going to click on share and of course copy link and then switch over to my Trello card. You can of course put a link here. All right, insert, and then you can also go to the attachment and of course paste, and I'm going to put in the text as display and click on insert. So there's a lot that you can work with. Right, and click on insert, and that's that. Now the thing is, when you upload files here in Trello, it ensures that all relevant information is stored in one place, making it easier to access and manage. You can keep files organized within specific tasks or projects, reducing the need to search through multiple locations or platform. For example, you're working with multiple freelancers, with the clients or team members, they can now view and download files directly from Trello, facilitating better collaboration and ensuring everyone has access to the same documents. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.